In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add a client to FreshBooks. Adding a client in FreshBooks is quick, and doing it properly up front makes invoicing, payments, and reports much smoother later. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect on screen and which details matter most. First, head to your FreshBooks account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the dashboard. The layout may vary slightly depending on updates, but you'll always find the main navigation along the left side. Take a second to make sure you're in the correct company if you manage more than one account. Next, look to the left navigation menu and click on Clients. This opens your client list. If you're brand new to FreshBooks, this page may be empty. That's perfectly fine. You'll see filters, a search bar, and, most importantly, a button to add someone new. Now, click New Client. This opens the client details form in a clean, single page. Think of this as your client's profile, which FreshBooks will use for invoices, estimates, and payment reminders. Fill in your client details, then save. Start with the essentials, the client's business name or the person's full name, along with a primary contact. Be sure the email address is accurate because this is where invoices and estimates will be sent. If you have a phone number or website, add those too, though they're often optional. Enter the billing address so your invoices display complete and professional information. Include country and postal code to help with taxes and formatting. If you regularly invoice this client in a specific currency, set that now so amounts calculate correctly. You can also set default payment terms, such as due on receipt or net terms, to save time later. If tax information applies in your region, add any relevant tax numbers or mark the client as tax exempt if appropriate. Use the Notes or Internal Notes field to capture preferences like a preferred PO number format or the best day to send invoices so your team stays consistent. Double-check everything before saving. A quick review of the email, currency, and address will prevent bounced invoices and mismatched totals. When you're ready, click Save. You'll return to the client profile or client list with your new entry visible, and from here you'll be ready to create estimates or invoices for this client whenever you need. That's it. You signed in, opened the client section, created a new client, and saved their details. Keep information accurate and complete from the start, and FreshBooks will take care of the rest.